Okay, hey guys, welcome back again. This is your boy Wabbit with another tech news. So, as I said from last week, I'll be reading some comments from my viewers. So let's check that out before we jump into what's up today. So quickly, let me just pick out some comments from a previous video. So this from my friend called Mide Samuel. He's like my stylist. Let me say that. He's the one I get all my hoodies from. Agape and Godfidence, the previous one, yeah. So he says gyroscope, accelerometer, okay. Like he's amazed by the tech that's in the S Pen. If you haven't watched the S Pen video, please go watch it. So that's it for today. Keep commenting. I need good comments. I don't need it. Nice video. I need constructive comments I can relate to. You get it? Yeah, so I can, when I read it, I'll be like, yes, you actually watch my video, and that kind of comment, like you talk about something in my video that'll catch my eye, and I'll read it out the next week. Promise. Keep commenting, man. No, that's the only way YouTube is gonna push my content out there. If guys are commenting and liking and sharing and subscribing, this is how you help me. Yeah, so thank you guys for helping anyway. So let's move on to the gist today. Before that, intro.
So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
Welcome back, guys. Yeah, I know guys are waiting for the review on the Note 10. So let me just put it out. The Note 10 is they have two, Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Note 10 Plus actually the Note 10 you want to grab. The Note 10 is like the Note 10e, is a lower version of the Note 10, but you know, has to do with money. Note 10 is like 1,000, Note 10 Plus is like 1,400. So you know what you're gonna miss out from these ones. And I'm just waiting for guys who are using it to like give all the comments. I can actually bring out a constructive review so you guys will know the good and the bad parts of the phone, because right now it looks all good. Apart from the no earphone jack, yeah, it's all good. Anyway, that is it. So let's move on to the gist today. I'm still looking for African tech gist. You guys help me out in the comments. If you know links, you know sites, you know Facebook pages, just comments them below. I need just from Africa because I'm an African. I need to promote technology in Africa, but it's hard to find that online apart from these business ones. So anyway, I found a gist from Africa. This is from South Sudan. But anyway, they're saying South Sudan launches mobile money transfer service. This is wonderful. Like, okay, you guys be like, mobile money is not any big deal, because you have had it for some time now. Most of the African countries like Ghana, we have had mobile money for a long time. This is something new to these guys, and see where mobile money has brought our country to. Now life is more easy, convenient, fast to send money and receive money, and there are a lot of businesses that have been starting up because of this mobile money. You know, like this cross sites that you can transfer money from your bank to your to your mobile money. You can set up an e-business where you receive money through mobile money and all that stuff. This will really help them. It will bring a lot of entrepreneurs up too. That's what I think. So anyway, let's just go through some few paragraphs and see what's saying. It says South Sudan has launched a mobile phone based transfer dubbed Mkurush. I hope I've got Mkurush. The new mobile phone based money transfer service has been launched through a partnership between Trinity Technologies and Zain, which will allow users to deposit, withdraw, transfer money and pay for goods and services across Sudan. I think we know Zain, those guys from Ghana, we know Zain, like was there. I think that's what is called Airtel now. If I'm wrong, yeah, I think that's it, yeah. So these guys have partnered with some other technology company to bring them this service in Sudan. So yeah, I'm really happy, excited. This is the kind of news I want to hear from Africa, other countries, or we building tech, like 5G in Africa and stuff like that. That's what I want to hear. So let's move. That's just by the way. So let's move on to the main, the broad gist for today. That was a good gist, but this is the gist for today. Yeah. So this is what's trending out there. I'm starting with a gloomy one, more sad one, then we'll now move to the more interesting one. So maybe that's why I'm in black, I don't know. But this is a sad story for Tesla. This is a sad one for Tesla. Tesla in Moscow, Russia, crashes into tow truck while on autopilot. This is the second time it has actually happened. Okay, this is the second time I have heard it happening, that Tesla car crashed while on autopilot. So probably autopilot isn't 100%. Yeah, no tech is 100%. If you're a tech guy, you know what I mean. No tech is 100%. There should be some nitty-gritty stuff here and there, but at least this is the second time out of how many years, so I think it's still a good. Anyway, this is what the guy is saying. He says he was on autopilot, semi-autopilot, I think, both car, and he didn't see the tow truck and crashed into it. Just he had 2 kids with him, so just minor injuries, no big deal, no one got hurt, but it's a setback for Tesla. They need to work more on the autopilot stuff. So I think that is the sad news today. So let's move on to the main gist, because Wabbit's here to give you the main gist. Okay, now before we get to the main gist, let's just move to another side note. This is for the streamers, this is gamers and stuff. If you're a gamer, a streamer, if you're into games, you know this guy Ninja. Ninja is like one of the richest gamers out there. Has like over millions subscribers on his channel on Twitch. So recently he left Twitch to a Microsoft-based, what's the name, streaming platform called Mixer. Yeah, right, called Mixer. And something funny was happening on his Twitch page, because I don't know, maybe initially, because he, like, something funny was happening on his Twitch page or his Twitch channel. I don't know if it's a mistake from Twitch or he just wants to pay him with bad. But this actually what from his side, he thinks the internet did that, and they are targeting just him because he left with a lot of subscribers to a Microsoft based platform called Mixer. So this is what he's saying here. He's like, I didn't need to read it, so let me just tell it from my mind. I'll put the links there so you can read it later. He's like, they have been promoting other people's channel on his channel because it's inactive, he's no more. You get it? Wait, isn't professional on their part. At least they have to send him a notice for his consent that we are going to do this and do you approve or not. He ignored it initially, no problem. This is just a way to promote other channels, also take up good space and get money from them. But things elevated to another level, which wasn't. They were promoting a channel that was streaming porn. How would you be so? I don't even want to think about it. But Twitch is a streaming platform, right? And most kids on Twitch, you are promoting channels that stream porn, which is very bad. I don't know why. I don't know how clumsy Twitch programmers would be, or like guys, moderators or something would be to let this happen. And he targeted one of the most popular guys in the world. Of course he's going to see it. So this is, to me, so unprofessional, and I think Ninja is going to take legal charges on them. If you wouldn't, I would. Just kidding. So this is really annoying. Let's move on. You get a picture. Let's move on to the next story. So this is the main story for today. This is like the ish that really got my attention. I think I'm kidding. This is for the medical field. This is the health part. This is for my doctors out there, my future doctors out there. You need to listen to this. Seriously, you need to listen to this. This is crazy. 3D printing organs moves a few more steps closer to commercialization. If you don't get what commercialization is, let me say it like a Nigerian. Commercialization is, it means we are getting closer to the stage where they would clone. Let me know you get to the stage where they would 3D print out your organ for you to buy. So let me just get into my conspiracy mode. So yeah guys, this is what I'm telling you. I told you it was not happening. We wouldn't start cloning humans. This is where it starts from. Like joke. This is how it's going to start. First, you're going to clone a cell. Now, you're cloning a tissue. Now, you're cloning an organ. Before us, you're cloning a whole human being. This is how it starts. How would you print out a whole full organ from just a cell? Huh? I'm telling you guys, if you think I'm lying, wait for Gemini Man, which is coming out. Gemini Genius, Gemini Man, I don't know, for a movie from Will Smith. Check it out. If you think I'm lying, go check it out. This is how they start to clone people. What happened? Like something just took over me. I was talking about 3D printing, all of a sudden just went black out. Okay, so let's see what the article says. New successes in printing vascular tissues from living cells point out the accelerating pace of development of 3D printing tissues and eventually the ability to manufacture organs from small sample cells. Late last month, Peerless Biologics announced $8.7 million round of funding and some significant advancements that points the way forward for 3D printed organs, while a company called Volumetric Bio, based on the research from the slew of different universities, unveiled significant progress of its own earlier this year. Whoa. This is why I'm here, Wabbit. Unless you go digging for this news, man, this is crazy. Anyway, doctors out there, this is what you're gonna be facing in the future. Machines are coming for you. Then I think let me just leave the best for the last time. I don't need to talk much again. So I think this is where I say goodbye. Have a wonderful day. And don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share my videos. It's guys out there. You have friends who be interested in tech news, maybe just share. Keep sharing. If you can do this for me, like I would really appreciate it. Just pick up 5 of your friends and just share this to them. Just do this for me out of your heart, because you love Wabbit and you love what I'm doing. Anyway, don't forget to drop your comments. Really helps me. Peace, double rock on. This is your boy and I'm out.